Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami toffee. So we're going to start off with a square piece of paper, and you're going to take one edge and you're going to fold it in a little bit, like so. And you will crease well. Once you have done that, you're going to take this edge and you're going to fold it to this edge. And then what I'm going to do is crease well. After this, I'm going to take this edge and I'm going to fold it in to the center. Crease. Like so. Now I should have 1 and 2 creases. If I open this up, 3. After this, I'm going to fold it in like this, and then I'm going to fold it like this, and then I'm going to fold it like this, and we'll crease all this. Now I will open this up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some glue, and I'm going to put glue on this edge. And then I'm going to take this paper, I'm going to fold it on like this, and this will now be glued on. And then if I want, I can kind of shape this into a cube, so you can see a rectangular, and it's 3D, and we have a square. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this flat down, and then we're going to take it and we're going to fold it again like it was right here. Next, we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it in a little bit. And this should be a bit away from the center. So I folded this, and then I'm going to take this edge and I'm going to fold it. And I want them to be pretty much equal and a little away from each other, so I might want to increase this gap, and it will look like this. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to get our scissors and we're going to make a cut like this to shape it like a toffee. So I'll show you what I mean. We're making a curve like that, and then we take the other side and we make a curve like this. So look like this. Once we do that, I'm going to get the other side, I'm going to do the same. To take it, I'm going to shape it a little into a curve, and we're going to take this side, I'm going to shape it into a bit of a curve. Now that we've done that, you can kind of see it's looking kind of like a toffee. Now what we need to do is we're going to use our scissors, and we're making a zigzag cuts. So I'm going to take this edge and I'm going to make a cut like that, and then this edge, and I'm going to make a cut like this, and then I'll take this part out and be done with it. Now I'm going to do this here, and I'll do the same thing across this line and this line. Now I've made all my zigzag cuts, and you can see this toffee is looking really neat. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open it up, and we're going to form that cube kind of shape we had before again, and you'll see it looks really 3D. And now one other thing we have to do is that we're going to draw on some eyes here, and we're going to grab some ribbon or thread, and what we're going to do is we're going to tie this here. So you'll see it tied after I do it. So now I'm going to decorate my toffee, and you can decorate yours. So here I drew on my eyes and some blush onto the candy. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 2 strands of thread, and I'm going to show you how to tie it on, kind of. So you're going to take one of them and you're going to put it right across this part, and you will take it and you'll kind of shape this. You'll take this edge and you'll put it in here, thread, strand and you'll put it here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to tie a little bow. So now you can tie your bow, or you can leave it like this. It's up to you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a bow on both of them. So, see you in a moment. So here's my candy with the tied on ribbon. And now you can make many more candies. So I have one more and another one more. So here are my lovely candies. Please like and subscribe to our channel.